FunkyVerse NFTs, they have released a new game. I'm about to review it for you today, so do me a massive favor, note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. Let's get straight into the video. So it's FunkyVerse. You can see just by connecting to the website straight away, it is going to be a fun video. It's funkyverse.io, all right? There's 7 days, 3 hours, 10 minutes, and 54 seconds left to go until you can start getting the full aspect of this. Now, welcome homies, all right? That's what it says, welcome homies. You can see already just by the imagery, we got a bit of Donald Trump over here, Mario, Luigi, some Kung Fu Fighters, Darth Vader. It's gonna be a bit of a funny twist on real life. We've got Rick and Morty coming down. So what is this, all right? It's the future of the NFT gaming with their unique, innovative game utility. It's on the Solana network, all right? And unlike traditional NFT collections, their game utility not only provides entertainment, but also generates income for both the holders and the users. So in this exciting world of FunkyVerse, all right, where digital art meets the road utility, they're proud to offer holders a unique, engaging experience, okay? An NFT holder with FunkyVerse will have access to exclusive perks inside of the adventure. There is a total of 10,000 NFTs being made for FunkyVerse, all right, inside the Funky factory. You're gonna get access to 10,000, so you've got to click them up. Again, you saw the timer at the start where there is absolutely not that long to go. The utility of the game is designed to be compatible with some of the most popular blockchain platforms along Solana. They'll also support Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Matic, Aptos, right? It means users will have more options. It's cross-blockchain. Everyone is going cross-blockchain or cross-platforms, whether it's on PlayStation, Xbox, things like that, all right? Because it gives you more use and able to not just diversify all the different players from one chain. Now, in the NFT lab, all right, they're going to introduce you to Hype Labs, the NFT lab where they strive to create unique and innovative projects that push the boundaries of the NFT space. With their first collection, FunkyVerse, they spent over a year meticulously designing and creating art that they will be truly proud of. They have airdrops all the time coming up, all right? Vibrant colors of the airdrop pets, taken very seriously to strive to bring the level of creativity to this unraveled NFT world, okay? Airdrops are an essential part of FunkyVerse experience. They actually put a great deal of thought into making each one special and true to their brand. There is 333 one-of-one NFTs right now, so their collection is a labor of love that took over 14 months, all right? 1,200 traits, 333 unique NFTs, are a masterpiece that reflects something in the world of pop culture. The collection is not only beautiful, but also incredibly rare. Now, to unlock this FunkyVerse kingdom, okay, you have to do that through the airdrops. Now, the airdrops are unlocking the full potential of the FunkyVerse, all right? With each new airdrop, the community possibilities expand, offering new opportunities to explore. As they launch new airdrops, FunkyVerse will become increasingly vibrant and dynamic, all right? But this is more than just a PFP NFT. The pixel perfect Illustrator art is something that you won't find anywhere else. However, PFP art is more than just game assets. It's also about capturing the hearts of the collectors. Look how beautiful these are. These are not only limited to the initial 10,000, all right, the minted NFTs. After the mint, they actually have planned to deliver one-of-one art every single week. Guys, I am so excited for what's about to happen with FunkyVerse, all right? Let me show you their Twitter. Their Twitter has over 13.6 thousand followers. It's at FunkyVerse NFT, okay? Completely verified. Their new game, of course, that we're talking about right now is about to be released. Give them a massive follow. Here's a little sneaky peek that you can have a look at. Have you ever played Minecraft, things like that? Have you ever played Clash of Clans? All these kind of things, all right, where you can see the game, start to make your own land, build it all up, use your different NFTs for that. Guys, I'm super excited. Here you can see all the different tools that you'll get to use, your axes, your spades, your pickaxes, all right? Very excited, guys. Please do me a favor and give them a follow. There you go, family. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit the link down below to get involved with this game right now, and I'll see you next time.